हेलो हाय नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सब कैसे हैं? मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। दोस्तों वीडियो के साथ बने रहें।
Number three.
दोस्तों ये बास्केटबॉल हो रहा है सऊदी अरब में। ये फिलीपींस के एक प्लेयर हैं।
Foul number
आप लोग वीडियो के साथ बने रहें, एंजॉय करें, आप लोग वीडियो देखें।
eight.
ये सारे जितने भी
Remaining
हैं सब
time
फिलीपींस के
5
हैं
minutes
प्लेयर
and
खिलाड़ी।
3 seconds.
ये बस फ्राइडे को खेलते
Shot
हैं यहाँ
clock
पे।
16 seconds.
शुक्रवार को छुट्टी रहती है ना सऊदी अरब में, तो शुक्रवार को सब आपस में खेलते हैं।
Lucky foul by substitution. Number 18 in, number 29 out. Shot clock 14 seconds. Remaining time 5 minutes and 1 second. Pinira ng rest. Dorado to number 3. Number 3. Penetrate. Foul. Number 26. Remaining time 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Warning for penalty, Stephen Terry. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Umira ng best, nakuha. Nagpang-abot, number 3. Number 3 to number 8. Number 8 penetrates. Pasok. 93-82 in favor of Stephen Terry. 4 minutes and 27 seconds. 16 second shot clock. Si basket by number 27. 18 to number 3. To number 8. Nakuha ni number 4. Pasok. Time out. Charito. Remaining time 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Official score 9 to number 14. Number 14 pumasok. 2 points. Number 14. Number 3. Number 3. Ganap ng number 3. Good. 10 seconds. Penalty. Offensive foul. 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Official score 95-86 in favor of Stephen Teddy. Number 14, tumira na. Number 14. Foul by number 18. Number 14. First attempt. Number 14. Pasok. 87-95. Second attempt by number 14. Nakuha ng step at then number 18. Number 18 to number 4. Oh, pass. Ball to number 18. Number 18 to Dorado. Dorado to number 8. Si basket number 8. 2 points. 97-87. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Two minutes and 50 seconds. Dorado. Foul number 14. Substitution. 2019. Back to the ball game. Number 4. Number 4. Nakakuha na. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Official score, 97-87 in favor of Steph and Teddy. Shot clock, 11 seconds. Number 4. Nakuha number 26. Pinasa kay number 4. Follow up. Okay, pasok. Number 29, 2 points. Number 8. Get to the ball. Up. Nakuha ng galaban. Number 29. Nakuha ng 3. Hindi pumasok. Number 4. Number 4. Number 8. Pasok, 2 points. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 9 seconds. 99-89 in favor of Steph and Teddy. 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Number 4. Number 4 to number 26. Tumira ng 3. Kinapos na konti. Dorado. 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 Naghanap ng tira. Hoy. Ang tira pumasok. Number 1. Naghanap ng mapapasukan. Number 1. Pinasok. Number 18. Remaining time 1 minute and 38 seconds. Pasok. 89-101 in favor of Steph and Teddy. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Number 29, 2 points. Nasa kay Dorado. Number 3. Number 3.